Today, in fact, a severe weather warning has just been issued for the Manchester and Merseyside areas, also into North Wales. We've got some heavy thundery downpours there with some really treacherous conditions on the roads. So taking a look at the radar, well, we've got rain still falling in Scotland, but it's the showery bands of weather that we're watching. That one particularly showing up there across North Wales and also into Manchester. Another one now just pushing into the London area. And as well as the rain, we've got those flashes of lightning and rumbles of thunder. Now that's all linked to low pressure, and it doesn't look as though that's going to move very far for the next day or so, staying unsettled, the theme for the next few days and right through the weekend. So the low at the moment to the west of us then, that'll gradually push its way eastwards, and then another one's going to join it from Iceland, that one as it moves south, really tightening up the isobars. A very windy spell coming up with local gales. But during the early part of next week, you can see the low pulls away into Scandinavia, dragging in a colder northerly wind. And it looks like through Monday and Tuesday particularly, it will feel much colder, maybe even some ground frost. So that's something to keep an eye on. But back to today, and we've got that low to the west of us. The front still slow moving across Scotland, keeping things dull and wet. The showers feeding in on that blustery southwest wind. And little change this afternoon, more widespread and heavy showers, possibly some of the dry weather across southern parts of Northern Ireland. Temperatures there 17, but really feeling quite cold in the heavy rain and the strong winds. And the wind staying with us through tonight, tending to ease a little bit in the south. And then tomorrow, as the low pulls away, we'll start to drag in fresher west or northwesterlies once again. And they'll be feeding in more showers. So another unsettled day tomorrow. Plenty of showers around, especially in the west. Some hail and thunder mixed in. And temperatures still around 15 to 17 degrees. For Friday and Saturday, something different. This little runner of a front giving a spell of more general cloud and rain, I think, in southern areas. Elsewhere, though, it'll be a case of sunshine and showers. Again, heavy and squally showers. And I think stronger winds too. Local gales coming in from the west or northwest. So a very windy spell. And then late Friday and Saturday, that cloudy, rather wet weather pushes into the south. For Sunday, the low actually crosses the north, the showery band of weather pushing in across the British Isles, and then that change as we start to see the wind swinging round to the northwest or north. It does look as though we will see much colder weather pushing in. There's still plenty of showers. What can I say? It really is an unsettled spell. Now, meanwhile, in Europe, well, we've had record heat in southeastern areas. That'll stay there for the next few days. Still some very high temperatures, up to the 90s or even the 100s Fahrenheit mark. The northwest of Europe, they're also seeing that cool weather feeding in. So there's quite a contrast then from northwest to southeast. So if you're heading away across Europe the next few days, if you want the heat and the sunshine, head to the Mediterranean. There's some very good weather for the next day or so. Bye-bye.